Hello, everyone. It's a pleasure to be at Singapore FinTech Festival. And it's really a pleasure for me to introduce our team and our project. Let's jump ahead. Let's explore the future. My name is Davide Capoti, and I'm co-founder and CEO of Rocket Capital, a company born from the challenge to find a way to merge the most disruptive technology of the future, artificial intelligence and blockchain. Let's start from the beginning. What is Rocket Capital? Basically, we are a licensed financial institution headquartered in Singapore and regulated by the MAS. Okay, so what is the Rocket mission? Is to change the rule of the asset management game, overturning the investment old paradigms and approach and proposing a new model based on three keywords: decentralization, distribution, and collectivity. Let me go a bit deeper on it. Most of the investment funds have a centralized structure where quant team create investing algorithms, and teams fund manager decide whether to use these algorithms and how much to allocate on it. This kind of structure have a lot of disadvantages. So algorithms are evaluated on backtest performance, where overfitting and over-optimization is a common practice to make the models look great with the scope to have money to be allocated. Teams are also limited by the cost of varying quants. So the number of different approaches and models cannot be very high, that lowering the variety and the originality of the model itself. So what is the Rocket Capital solution? It's a decentralized and distributed machine learning competition for the forecasting of the financial market. So we have blockchain and AI together. Do we want to understand a bit better about it? Giovanni, are you there?
Thank you, Davide. My name is Giovanni Trombetta, and I'm the Chief Investment Officer of the company. Let's take a closer look at our project. Rocket Capital is a hedge fund powered by internal and external intelligence. The first consists of hundreds of trading systems generated through evolutionary, machine learning, and quantitative algorithms, competing with each other. Then the second, what we have built is a wisdom of crowds competition, in which each week we provide a set of aggregate financial and alternative data and a question to thousands of data scientists from around the world. Every week, we give a compensation in Musa tokens to the best data scientists and channel the swarm of predictors thus obtained towards a proprietary intelligence capable of increasing the value produced by our internal predictors. Now Jensen will explain in more detail what the dataset is and how our question is presented. To you, Jensen.
Hello, everyone. My name is Jensen. I'm the data scientist working on the development of rocket competition and artificial intelligence trading algorithm. I would like to walk you through how the rocket competition is established by starting with the dataset preparation. Each week, we as the host of the rocket competition gather the price, social sentiment, on-chain data, together with the closing price as the target for participants from all around the world to join the competition. The dataset is equipped with various features to retain the time series information to maximize the model prediction capability. This allows data scientists from various domain backgrounds to join the competition without impediment. Since the dataset has different range and variation, we also clean and normalize the dataset to facilitate the machine learning model creation. This is an essential step to make sure the numerical stability of the model. Now, when the challenge is open, participants could download the dataset from our competition platform to train a machine learning model to predict the following week cryptocurrency price movement. Data scientists can train a regression model by using their expertise with the aim of reducing the error to the target in a dataset provided. By using the predictions from data scientists every week, we could create the wisdom of crowd by creating an ensemble model to enhance the bias and reduce the variance in predicting cryptocurrency price movement. Finally, once a challenge is closed each week, data scientists could check the score and reward on the leaderboard. The score is calculated based on the root mean square error, and the reward is paid out as explained in the reward policy. So that's a brief overview of the data science for rocket competition. Back to you, Davide.
Thank you, Giovanni and Jensen, for the explanation. Now, let's have a better look at this decentralized and distributed solution. Roberto, Lupin, are you there?
Thanks, Davide. I'm Roberto Giaccio, the CTO of Rocket Capital Investment. The blockchain is basically a public infrastructure that allows the creation of contracts, services, coins, and of the communities using them. We wanted our competition to be as open and decentralized as possible, so we designed it on the blockchain according to the following key points. First, each step of the competition is guided by a set of Ethereum smart contracts. They guarantee that the game is fair. Second, the participation is simplified by a distributed application that handles all competition activities, that is, staking, submissions, scoring, and rewarding. Third, all competition documents, datasets, predictions, are uniquely signed and archived on IPFS, a decentralized file system that works together with the decentralization of blockchain. Fourth, we released an open source verification tool that anyone can use to verify the correctness of scoring and rewarding. And finally, we launched the Musa token, which is used to both participate to the competition and to pay the weekly rewards. But Lubin can explain better how the blockchain solution and the Musa token works together.
Thanks, Roberto. Hi, everyone. Lubin here, blockchain architect at Rocket Capital Investment. Let me walk us through one challenge to further show how the competition is run on the blockchain. First, we open a challenge. At the start of the challenge, a data set is released. This is stored on IPFS, and its IPFS reference ID is stored on the competition smart contract. At this point, users can download the dataset and use it to work on their forecasts. Users can then add to or withdraw from their staked Musa and submit their forecasts once they are ready. Submissions are encrypted so that users cannot simply copy another user's submission. The competition contract can be interacted with using a cryptocurrency wallet, similar to how many DeFi applications work today. At the end of the submission window, the stakes and submissions are locked, and that is, users can no longer adjust their stakes or make additional submissions. At the end of the challenge, based on the user's stake and the performance of their submissions, users are awarded additional Musa via the smart contract. There is no stake deduction for poor performance, but better performers will be rewarded with more Musa. The challenge is then closed, a new challenge is opened, and the cycle repeats. That's the end of our challenge walkthrough. Back to you, Davide.
We are finally at the end of this presentation. Now you better know our project and you know our team. Let's discover together what we are looking for. So basically, we are looking for partners, venture capital, angel, sponsor, accelerator, people who believe in our project and want to help us change the asset management rule together. The second thing that we are looking for are institutional and accredited investors that want to subscribe our investment fund and offer their clients regulated but highly innovative products. And final one is we are looking for data scientists from all over the world who want to compete in one of the hardest competition of machine learning in the world, and also want to help us to create the first distributed and decentralized data science community in the world. So these and other great challenges are waiting for us in the future. Come and discover us better. We are waiting for you.